Hey, it's Raven Tactical here. Gonna do a quick kind of prepper how-to video on things you can do when doing simple maintenance and oil changes. Um, Doing just a basic oil change on the daily commuter car. I'm gonna sit there and give you kind of a little easy tip. What I usually do is I'll take a piece of tape, write down the socket size that it is, the date that I changed it, how much oil I put in it, what kind of filter I put in it, the miles at which I changed it at, and the brand of oil. I also have to put the weight in there, so it's 5W20. So you have that. Just do this quick. Oop, sorry for the shakiness. So it's going to be 5W. This is trippy. 20. So that way, when I go check on the car, having several vehicles or having several pieces of equipment, it kind of makes things a little bit easier on yourself on what's going on. It's also a good chance to look over the vehicle and check battery terminals, check all your fluids before winter as well. Then if you go to the oil kind of itself, so waste oil, if you live in town, you probably have to put it, take it into an auto store and they recycle it. Out here, you can use waste oil for a couple things. You can use it for kind of like treating wood. So if you buy untreated wood and you wanted to make ramps or something that's going to sit outside, you can soak it, which is pretty much what treated wood is, in oil or waste oil. Mixing it with a little bit of diesel too. You can make stuff for setting brush on fire too. Makes for a quick and easy burn. Buying it in 5-quart jugs is also a little bit easier because once you take the oil, your waste oil, you can store it in these 5-quart jugs and it makes things a lot simpler. So it's a real short and quick tip for doing oil changes. I mean, obviously I didn't show how to do an oil change because I think you can find enough videos on that and it makes sense. But waste oil has a purpose, at least in homesteading. You can use it for, again, fires and treating wood. You can use it for kind of like burning out stumps too. So with that, have a great day.